Okay, so not to overcomplicate things, welcome to That IT Show, which is slowly turning into That Yasmin Show because Vedran is once again not with us. And I'm currently traveling, so welcome to my hotel room and while I'm trying to do something useful. What I wanted to do today or tonight is I wanted to record something that I actually noticed these days. And this is the thing that I have with AI. Now, I want to talk about how AI is changing and how basically AI ruined AI for most of the people. Let's roll the intro and see what do I think about all of these things. So, thing is this. Imagine you are a normal regular person who doesn't know what AI is. What you're going to get and what you're going to see when you are talking about AI and learning about AI is probably going to be what you're seeing in the media. And the media itself is going to be either overpromising or trying to minimize what AI can do. Now, the reason why I'm even talking about all of these things is that I wanted, a couple of days ago, I wanted to help a friend who is basically he's working on train models. So in his spare time, he's creating amazing train models. And he now is trying to slowly switch into using Arduino and using the microcontrollers in his train models. Because what he did up until now was more or less completely analog control of the trains that he has. So he asked me to help him. And when I tried to help him, I realized that he has zero, and by zero I mean absolutely zero, almost negative idea what AI can do in this particular case. And when I told him to use AI for the things he was trying to do, he said that AI is stupid enough because he has read that in the newspaper, so AI is unusable. And the thing is that this particular thing, so the train models and the Arduino controllers and what he's actually trying to do, he's trying to create a layout on his tracks and he's trying to control small traffic lights, is the exact thing that AI is actually good at. So he decided he doesn't like AI. He decided that he doesn't want to use AI. And when I helped him, it took us the better part of 7 minutes to create what he wanted to do. And then he realized that the AI itself is something that he should be using. And now he has gone, in the last 2 or 3 days, he has gone so much further away than he was ever before, simply because he realized that AI is actually capable of doing things that he wanted to do. Now, the thing is that I don't think he's an outlier. I think that he's one of those guys and one of those people who actually read too much about AI without trying to use it. And I think this is the thing that AI actually killed. AI is the worst enemy of AI. When somebody is first learning how to use AI, over promises are plethora. All the media are going to say, we asked AI to predict, we asked AI to give us the answer to, and so on and so on. But usually what they're trying to do is they're trying to misuse the architecture, they're trying to misuse the idea of AI by trying to create a prediction engine out of something that is in itself a prediction engine. What AI is usually doing, what LLM is usually doing, is it is trying to predict the next token by learning on the previous token that was created in the chain. Now, if you ask something that is based on predictability and probability to predict something, you're not doing anything. You're just trying to make it replay past past experiences and past tokens that he's only parsed, and try to make a new idea out of it. It doesn't work. LLM doesn't work that way at all. And this is the problem that we are facing right now. People are using AI in order to do some things that AI was never meant to do. And when other people who still haven't used AI, they suddenly realize, okay, this is a problem. We don't want to use AI because AI is not able to do the simple things that we are asked out of it. It's the same thing like if you just sat in your car and then expected it to be able to fly. It's not the thing that this thing is designed for, but by overpromising and by giving the people false hopes that the AI itself is capable of doing things, we have actually created something that doesn't work. And it's going to take a long time to reintroduce people to what AI actually can do, and this is do predictable things. Programming, creating small scripts, creating things for microcontrollers, creating microcode, formatting text, and so on. The next thing that actually annoys me is not that the end users are annoyed by with AI. It's that the people who are creating AI tools also annoy the heck out of me. And the way that they are doing this is that they are overpricing what their tools can do. I have started to retest what Gemini is doing right now. So Gemini is the Google's AI assistant. And the thing is that when you read what Gemini should be able to do, and when you try to use Gemini to do those things, it's two completely different worlds. Gemini, for example, promises that it is able to help you create presentations, but good luck with that. There is no way for the Gemini to create presentations. It is able to create slides one by one if you give it a good enough context. If you're trying to create a presentation out of the, I don't know, a corpus of text or something, Gemini is just flatly going to refuse it. It's just going to give you the information that it is capable of only creating single slides and nothing else. This is a huge problem because this problem actually makes people don't like AI. And when you think about that, on one side we have Gemini, which is overpromising and not working. On the other side we have Copilot, which is who knows what, because what Microsoft is doing is using different models in different usage cases in different scenarios under the same name. So nobody knows what the Copilot actually is. And the only coherent AI right now is probably Claude by Anitropic and partly ChatGPT. But most of the people are going to get exposed to either Gemini or a Copilot because most of the people have access to either Google's ecosystem and Microsoft ecosystem. So if the people are not using ChatGPT, if they're not using Claude, and a lot of people are not using Claude who are not programmers, this is going to become a problem because they're going to expect or they're going to see that AI is what Copilot and Gemini shows them that the AI actually is. So I think we have a huge problem. I think that this problem needs to be solved, and I think that this problem needs to be solved quickly. Otherwise, we're going to use potential users, and this is going to make AI not be as useful because the adoption is going to fall. Let me know in the description. Do you think that I'm right? Do you think that I'm wrong? Or do you think that I'm overthinking it? Thank you, and see you next time.